Dune house by whale. In Chile, Casa Duna is located on a flat terrain without views and exposed to both the north wind and the main road of the La Boca Fund in Tunquen. It appears to the environment as a tapered body devoid of openings. The walls, too long, are covered in untreated 1 by 4 foot wood, like the board fences, covers, or quarters that abound in the area to cover sawmill sheds or simply to delimit plots. Nothing of the program is revealed to the landscape, only a body, a skin, and a distant expression of a sphinx. Once the threshold is crossed, the enigma is solved. The interiors do not encompass the entirety of the volume that is appreciated from the exterior. Instead, a linear and alternating sequence of rooms and courtyards. The simple program on the first level includes a living room, which includes the kitchen, and 2 twin bedrooms linked to private bathrooms. A system of 4 sliding doors allows for flexible spatial rearrangements. On the second floor, the master bedroom with bathroom and a lookout terrace in search of distant geographies. The main courtyard, elongated and sunny, includes a deck, a pool, a gray gravel surface, and a service area. The private courtyard, square and with soft ground, serves as natural light for the 2 bedrooms on the first level. Since the house was completed, the bolds, leeters, and other native species have had a respite from the north wind and are beginning to let go of their shyness to grow with greater vigor.